Welcome to this thrilling guide on how to invest in real estate with no money. That's right, no cash. No problem. You're about to discover 7 game-changing strategies that can launch you into the world of real estate investing even if your wallet is feeling a little light. Let's get straight into it. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and explore more awesome content we've created for you. 7. Wholesaling. First up, wholesaling is like matchmaking for real estate investors. You find properties at rock-bottom prices, lock them up under contract, and then pass them off to other investors for a fee. The best part? You don't need to buy the property outright. Just a knack for spotting a deal and some savvy networking skills. It's fast, and if done right, it's very lucrative. 6. Partnering with investors. Sometimes, it's not what you know, but who you know. Find an investor willing to fund the purchase, while you handle like finding deals and managing projects. When you show your value, you can build partnerships that cost you nothing upfront, but pave the way to massive returns. 5. Seller financing. Now, here's a sweet trick. With seller financing, the property owner becomes the bank. Instead of a traditional lender, you negotiate terms directly with the seller and pay them over time. It's flexible, requires no big down payment, and opens doors to deals you'd otherwise miss. For house hacking. Ever thought your home could be your golden goose? Buy a property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rental income helps you cover your mortgage, making this a high-reward strategy that builds equity in real estate while you live comfortably. 3. Lease options. Here's a real estate cheat code. Lease options. Rent the property with the option to buy later. This gives you time to save, test the waters, and lock in a good deal without a huge upfront cost. It's your try-before-you-buy strategy. 2. Crowdfunding platforms. The modern-day solution for broke investors. Real estate crowdfunding platforms let you invest in properties with small amounts of money. Join forces with a crowd, and you can own pieces of lucrative projects without breaking the bank. 1. BRRRR method. And finally, the ultimate strategy by rehab, rent, refinance, repeat, BRRRR for short. You invest your sweat equity into fixing up distressed properties, rent them out for cash flow, and refinance to pull out your profits, which you can reinvest. It's the holy grail for building a real estate empire. Now you have 7 incredible ways to break into real estate investing with no money. Which strategy will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more amazing tips. Your real estate adventure starts here.